Okay, anyways. Hi, and welcome to my little project, which now has a name, thanks to... What was his name? Thanks to Jay. So for now, the temporary name is Guns in Handy, maybe, I don't know. And as you probably also heard, there's sounds, temporary sounds. They don't sound that great, but, you know, there's sounds. I have also decided on, like, the gameplay of what is, like, you know, gonna be like the theme and all that. But first I gotta, you know, talk about the toon shading thing I did. So yeah, you might have noticed that it looks a bit different now with like toon thing, cartoony. I didn't do that myself, I just spent 18 euros. I'm gonna go this route and like make it look stylized because I really like this way better than the other. Roguelike. So yeah, this game is gonna be like half roguelike and half not roguelike. To explain more, I have to go and pull up my expert game developer software. Okay, let's say this is level 1, right? Each level is a house. I don't know really how to explain that. Okay, basically you're this average American that's having a dream. That explains the guns. Right. Each level is a house you need to go into and clear out. Let's say, you know, this is level 1, right? You walk into there and the room is randomized. It's taken from a random set of pre-made rooms, right? So let's say this is the living room you go into, the living room, right? And then you go through the door when you have cleared out all the enemies, and then it chooses from a new set of pre-made rooms, which, let's say that's the kitchen now. So the like theme layout, I don't know, like for example in this level you would go living room, kitchen, upstairs, and then the attic, I don't know. But each playthrough of the level would be different, but also not. And then to make it even more fun, I'm gonna put in some chests with random weapons, and that's what I was talking about in the last video. I've scratched the pickup idea for a more get chest, get a random weapon with a, like I said, we have the AR, right? That can have like a fire version of a, or a, like a toxic version, you know, like different versions of a gun. But like I've made an enemy right now, which is like a co-worker. So you're sleeping, you're fighting off all the people you know, I don't know. It has 2 attacks. One is like a briefcase. Oh damn, is this a briefcase? This is a very fine briefcase. Oh! And the other one is like, he throws his paperwork at you. That's pretty, I think it's pretty cool. Like, there's no blood in this game, they just explode into confetti, everyone. With sound effects. Yeah, I think that's all I've done in these 5 days since the last upload. But yeah, see ya.